Here we have a 2017 BMW 435D X-Drive M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We do have a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, as you can see by the side skirts and front splitter just there. We've got a few more bits at the rear, as you'll soon see. The vehicle is finished in a Snapper Rocks blue metallic exterior paintwork, which looks absolutely superb. We've got the black kidney grills at the front just there. We've then got our second 19-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Black side skirt at the bottom again. We've got our colour-coded wing mirror and door handles, black trim around the windows as well. Here's a quick look inside whilst we're working our way around. We've then got our third alloy wheel. As we come to the rear, we've got our black spoiler. We do have both front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera. Dual exit exhaust on the bottom left there as well. X-Drive badging. Open up the boot. We've got a great amount of space in here for whatever you may need. Close that up. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go onto the interior, we've got the full leather interior, Dakota leather interior, ISO fixed points within the seats, got the fold down armrest in the middle. We've got our integrated speakers on either side there as well. In the front we've got that same full leather interior on both the seats and the doors. On the doors we've got our premium Harman Kardon sound system, electrically adjustable wing mirrors with the power folding function, as well as electric windows. We've got electrically adjustable seats there as well on both sides, with memory functions on the driver's side. Stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start stop button, and we are away. Now we'll just wait for that to load up. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 65,800 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've got our orange triangle there, but that's just due to low fuel range. Nothing to worry about at all. Coming back, we've got our multifunctional steering wheel, different controls for us from the go, things like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left, infotainment screen in the middle. On here you've got things like your navigation. We've got different forms of media connectivity, as you can see there, DAB radio, CD, Bluetooth audio and USB. We've also got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone to play music or listen to music or make calls. We've got different driving modes. We've got Sports Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, each having their own driving characteristics. Moving down, we've got our dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Heated seats for both front passengers. Stereo controls with traffic alerts just above. Additional storage space, 2 good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. We've then got our traction control, different mode selects, a button for our parking sensors, gear stick just there. We've then got our shortcuts for the infotainment screen, as well as control wheel and touchpad. And then last but not least, we do have our soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage, and you can find a USB port in there as well. Now we've also got this lovely silver carbon look trim around as well, around the cabin, which looks absolutely fantastic. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 435D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work as they should. As a viewer, I would suggest you listen out for any knocks or any bangs and really just treat this experience as if you were here with me in the car today. So starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on a steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I'll either press cruise control again or apply pressure to the brakes, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, down to 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, so it's changed down there as I went down speed. But as you can tell, through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now, it's a very nice place to be inside here. We've got the incredibly comfortable leather heated seats, which are also electrically adjustable. Plenty of great features on the infotainment screen as well, things like our satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, plenty of ways to connect your devices to listen to music, etc. Just an overall really nice place to be, especially with the premium Harman Kardon sound system as well. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. Now, we are a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and TikTok as well, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate that reverse works as it should. So emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, no problems at all. We've got our reversing camera as well as a visual display of our front and rear sensors there as well. Now, one last test is I am about to go over a speed bump here, so listen out for any sounds, any knocks or any bangs. There we go, free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's it from me on today's video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.